Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam GOAT. I don't think I've ever seen any of their videos, so this will be the first time on the channel. Let's see. The title of their video is 4-year-old almost drives car into traffic after mom leaves him alone to shop at the mall. What? A 4-year-old was driving the car? Oh nah, yeah, this is gonna be one of them ones, boy. Oh, let's go, let's get into it.
This is 40-year-old Anna Taubman. On February 24th, 2024, Delray Beach police responded to a call from the Outback Steakhouse after customers reported seeing a child alone inside a gray BMW in the parking lot. The employee attempted to locate the BMW owner in the restaurant for over 30 minutes before calling police, and the child was now behind the wheel revving the engine.
Buddy. Richie.
Hold on, before we get into it, I must say, Bodycam GOAT, if you come across this video, which you probably will, a lot of, honestly, a lot of the bigger channels do be watching these videos. Like, they do watch my video because it be in the description. So, like, it'll pop up and they'll be like, they message me, you know what I'm saying? So, I know, like, but anyways, before we even get into all that, if you guys come across this, I love y'all editing. In the beginning, the music was on point, the editing, everything was on point, man. And even the AI voice, it didn't sound too bad. It wasn't too bad. It was, a lot of these channels, they have lazy editing and stuff. So, this was actually a pretty good an introduction.
Hey. Hey, don't you do it. Yo, what the? No.
Gotta break the window. What? Gotta break the window.
What? It's in front. I mean, it's in park.
It's running.
It's running. KC's on.
And when he puts it in drive and...
You can physically say that it's been here for 45 minutes.
Where's Mama? Is it on?
It's been here for 40 minutes. Mom's not here.
What?
Just leaving the 4-year-old. Maybe you can give it to your mom.
Hi, baby. Hi. Can you open the door? Yeah, open the door. Can you open it?
We tried.
You got any cash on it?
Can you pull this up?
She's gonna
See
go
the
get a
little thing
cookie.
right here?
See if he wants a cookie.
Come on, pull it up.
Get the thunder from down under and that'll pull it together.
Come here, baby. Come.
As soon as mom gets here, she's going straight in handcuffs. She's going to
Yep.
30 plus minutes leaving this kid in here. She's 100% going to jail no matter what she says. Can't leave a 4-year-old kid. I understand it's running, but unsupervised in the middle of a parking lot for 30 plus minutes.
Come. You gotta unlock the door, baby.
When she comes running.
The mother comes running to the car from the mall side carrying multiple shopping bags.
Where is this a good idea? Where is this a good idea? Leaving your kid in the car for 30 minutes with no adult. You were in for 30 minutes.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, well, we're going to place you in handcuffs.
Oh my god.
You can't leave a freaking 4-year-old in the car by himself for 30 minutes.
Oh my god.
How does that even go through your mind?
Put the ACs on it. Just ran into the store.
And what if somebody took him?
It's been way over 30
Kid
minutes.
ever again? What if they abducted your kid?
It's been way over 30 minutes. It's not safe.
Oh my god.
We'll get that.
Can I call my brother?
We'll just have you.
We're not gonna worry about
Just
that.
have her sit down. Have her sit
Who's
down.
gonna pick up my child?
Hopefully somebody.
My brother.
Okay, so can you have a seat for me?
Where's your brother?
Thank you.
He's in Boca. Oh my god. I'm gonna
What about the father? How did, where's the dad? How about that? Like, that would be the first thing I'm at. Your brother? Where's the father? Okay? Like, no. No. It should go mom, dad, and then if the dad isn't available, then, you know, one of the relatives or something like that, you know, brother, mom, or, you know, grandma, you know, stuff like that. But where's the dad? You know what I'm saying? That's who we need to get a hold of, because the mom completely disregarded, like, everything. You know what I'm saying? How do you go to the mall for 45 minutes, go shopping, think you good, and you left your kid in the vehicle by themselves? What? All it takes is stranger to come up. Hey, I got some candy. Can you hit that button? Hit that button. And it unlocks the door. Boop. Oh yeah. Get up out of here, boy. You ain't never getting your kid. There's a lot of sickos in the world. She's a train wreck, bro. She is unfit to be a mother right now, man. How does that even come across your mind? Like the cop said.
I'm gonna have a heart attack. But the car, the AC was on.
And if somebody breaks that window and steals your son, and you never see him again, what's going to be your excuse for that one?
Oh
the AC was on?
Oh my God.
Not to mention he was revving up the engine.
If he put that in,
If he put it in drive, he'd be out onto like
Oh my God.
dead in the middle of winter. And I'd have to respond and perform CPR on a practically dead child.
Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm getting a heart attack. Oh my God.
What's your brother's number?
Officers call her brother to come pick up the child before she goes to jail.
Okay, so this is gonna happen. Obviously, you're being arrested. Your brother is on his way to pick up your kid.
Okay.
I'm just gonna take your phone and your ID. That'll go with you. The rest of your belongings will be taken or given to your brother.
Can I
Okay?
have my ice?
What about the father, man? Come on. Why is nobody asking about the father? Honestly. Why isn't the father being informed on what's going on here? That's his child. That's his seed. Like 50% her, and she failed today, okay? She failed. So now we got to go try on the other 50% of that kid, man. Where's the dad at, man?
Please.
So they're not gonna allow you to have that in the jail. So we're not gonna give it to you. If you need a couple more steps, I can give that to you. But I'm not I can't bring your iced tea with you. Okay? Your son will go with your brother.
Okay.
The car, I'm assuming, maybe will stay here unless your brother wants to take it or if he
Take it
comes.
eventually, yeah.
If not, we aren't allowed to tow it because this is private property.
Yeah.
But if they don't want it sitting here, if the owner doesn't want it here, then they will probably tow it. But most likely, I think she's a worker, so I'll be able to find out that information for you. You'll see a judge, and that he'll decide if he wants to set a bond for you or whatever the case may be.
Today.
Probably not today, because
I
it's
have
a
to
weekend.
stay overnight.
You may have to stay overnight. But I don't know the jail protocol. When we get to the jail, there'll be people there that work there that can answer more questions for you. I promise it's not going to be as bad as what you're thinking, okay? But you have to work with me so that we can make sure that we get it.
You're going to learn today.
So what do you need? Do you need to be checked out? I can have FD come here and check you out, but you'll still have to go. You'll still have to go if FD comes and checks you out. Do you need medical assistance?
It'd be okay if I could have like just my.
She gonna be in that cage with some real killers, boy, for the day, boy. Oh yeah. She gonna get a rude awakening, boy. She ain't never gonna wanna go in there. Listen, oh yeah, you gonna be in there for a full day. That means you probably gonna have dinner or lunch. Wait, what time is it? It's 13, so it's 1 o'clock. Yeah, you gonna make it there for dinner time. You know what I mean? You probably gonna have breakfast in the morning before you go see Judge. Oh yeah. Yeah, boy. She ain't never gonna do this again, boy. Hopefully. But I still want to know where the dad at, man. Why are we not reaching out to the father? There gotta be some, just like there's a hierarchy in the police department and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Everybody got a boss. Everybody got somebody that they got to answer to. There's a chain of command. The same thing should apply with this situation here. That kid is 50% her, 50% the father. The chain of command need to be mom, okay, she failed. She going to jail. Next, dad. Okay, boom. After that, grandparents. Then we go to, uncles and aunts and stuff like that.
Stay with me because
How you gonna take it?
We'll bring it to. We'll bring it with
bring
you.
it with me. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I've never
listen.
been in this scenario.
Okay. And I hate doing that with your child.
I know.
But I have 2 kids too, so
I know. Like literally never, ever.
I know, but
He's attached to
unfortunately.
my hip.
Do you swear that what you're about to tell me is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing
Yes.
but the truth? So you got it. Okay. So can you tell me what or why you left the kid in the car?
I needed
Sam?
to run into the store
Okay.
to return something. He did not want to go inside. I left him with the AC running, going in and out of the store.
Okay. How long do you think he was in the store?
Since when he's 4. What do you mean he didn't want to go in? Who cares? You're going in.
Honestly.
I don't know.
Okay. You know what time you walked into the store?
No.
Okay. Would you say it was for a pretty good, it was longer than 15 minutes, right?
I wouldn't say 10 to 15 because that store is packed and the line is long.
So what I will tell you is they called, someone from Outback called because they were told by a customer there was a kid outside in a car by himself. The lady came out and she said she was standing out here for at least 25 minutes. And that was before they noticed.
I don't think it was 25 minutes.
Okay. So we weren't here, so I'm not saying I don't believe you.
Right.
I get it.
It definitely
but
was
I
not
just
25 minutes.
Okay.
Checked on the kid, make sure the kid was okay, saw the car was running. I went back inside and asked every single person that was in the building if they had a gray BMW or if they were missing a child. There was no one in to go waiting on food or anything like that. So I came back outside, immediately called 911 and waited for you guys to get here while keeping an eye on the child.
Okay. Awesome.
Craziest thing I've ever seen in my life.
I wish I could say the same.
Door.
When that gate closed behind you, boy, she gonna get a wake-up call, boy.
Okay. Now you step into that red box. Embrace the sign.
Damn, she hear that gate closing.
So she has one of these rings and the bracelets that don't come off.
It's a cardio bracelet. It doesn't
The
come off.
jet doesn't move.
We got a thing.
Flip it over.
It's not gonna come off. You need a tool to take it off.
Okay, well, I kind of just going to cut it off.
Yeah.
Just
This is like $8,000. So
I'm not going to tell you they're not going to, but they're probably going to cut that off because you can't have it.
it's $8,000.
I understand that.
It's just their policy, and this doesn't. That's not coming off.
I mean,
What about this?
it's a Kabbalah string.
Yeah.
Like it's a string.
But you still can't have that on.
You could cut this. This is a
I
string.
know, but can you
I was gonna
take
say,
that
are
off
you
or
able to
not?
take it off? No, it's not gonna. It doesn't have a thing on it.
It's a string. It's just a string.
Okay. Just I'm telling you, be prepared for them to cut them off. And then it doesn't matter what it is. It's their policy. And you hear
Then
something.
they should provide a tool to take it off.
This isn't a 5-star resort either.
I got it.
All right.
But it's also
Where the hell she thinks she at? They should provide a tool to take it off? What? Are you kidding me? She gonna have a long night, boy. I'm telling you, she gonna have a real long night.
Whatever's in there, you gotta take it out. Can I get in your hand and go over your arm? Thank you. Good.
and I can't have my phone.
No.
On you with it? No.
You can see
I have my phone.
Do you want to take a sip of your tea?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god, this is like.
I know.
I'm like
She's gonna go insane.
Anna Taubin was charged with felony child neglect.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.